Guys, welcome back to Kali J's Kitchen. In today's video, I'll take you guys in the kitchen with me and I'll show you how to prepare this awesome fried breadfruit. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, turn on your post notification bell so you guys can always be notified whenever I upload a new video. Go ahead and tell your friends, tell your family members about Kali J's Kitchen and have them subscribe to my channel. Follow me on Instagram, it's KaliKitchen_1, and also on Facebook, it's Kali J's Kitchen. So here I have my breadfruit and it's already roasted. So basically all I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go ahead and peel my breadfruit. Now guys, you always want to ensure that you use something to just hold your breadfruit, because if you don't, by the time you finish peeling your breadfruit, then it's going to be all black and you don't want that. Basically this breadfruit, I bought it like this, roasted in Barbican. But if you guys go to the market, the farmers market, it's a possibility that you might get your breadfruit roasted. All right, or what you can do, you can always go ahead and just roast your breadfruit. All right, no, I just want to encourage you guys to be creative in the kitchen. Just be you in the kitchen and just utilize whatever you have at home. All right guys, so you can always go ahead and serve up this fried breadfruit with whatever you have at home. But for today's video, I'm going to go ahead and serve this up with some cook up red herring and also some steamed veg. All right. So this is my breadfruit, as you can see, nicely peeled. So all I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna go ahead and just slice my breadfruit in two. Now when you slice your breadfruit in two, you can always go ahead and just slice the half of the breadfruit in another two pieces. All right, just to remove the heart. The heart is that inside piece that is in your breadfruit, and you don't want to fry your breadfruit with that. I'm not sure if persons eat it, but I do not eat it. All right, and then what you can do, you can just go ahead and just slice up your breadfruit in some thin slices. All right, and while you're slicing up your breadfruit, be sure to just put your frying pot on the stove with some vegetable oil, or you can just go ahead and use some olive oil to just fry your breadfruit. All right, be sure to allow it to heat up a bit. All right, so this is it. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to go ahead and just place my breadfruit in the hot oil. And basically, I'm going to allow this to fry about 6 minutes, 3 minutes on each side. I want it to be golden brown. It's up to you guys what you want to do. And be sure to turn on your stove on medium heat. All right, so that you don't burn up your breadfruit. All right, guys. So once one side of your breadfruit is fried, all you're gonna do is just flip it over on the other side and allow the other side to fry as well. You always want to ensure that both sides are golden brown. Well, it's up to you really. For me, I like it golden brown, as I said earlier. So flip it over on the other side and allow the other side to fry. So now that my breadfruit is all fried, what I'm going to do, I'm just going to go ahead and remove them, place them on this plate with a napkin, because you want to ensure that the excess oil is soaked in the napkin. All right. And once you remove all of that breadfruit, what you're going to do, you're just going to go ahead and just place the rest of the breadfruit in the hot oil and allow it to fry. Again, fry it for about 6 minutes. 3 minutes on each side, or until golden brown. All right, so in a minute I'm going to show you guys the final product of my fried breadfruit. All right guys, stay tuned. And there you have it guys, the final product of my fried breadfruit. I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe today. I hope you guys go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Remember to turn on your post notification bell so you guys can always be notified whenever I upload a new video. Tell your friends, tell your family members about Kali J's Kitchen and have them subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys so much for watching, and see you tomorrow for another awesome recipe. Bye guys.